Recently, I shared with you that we are in big trouble. This is what you didn't know. I'm David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, and to watch over 600 videos for free that will help you get prepared for what's coming, go to ldsprepper.com. You're going to want to watch those videos. So recently I showed you that we were out of firewood, and through the magic of free enterprise, we went from this to this. A fully stocked wood shed. Now this is what you didn't know. There were a few comments, not many, but some that said, man, you're a bad prepper. And I thought, okay, they don't understand the message of the video. The message of the video was to don't let this happen to you. But what you didn't know was that this is our working wood pile. This is not our emergency wood pile. I have two other complete wood piles, one visible, one completely non-visible, for emergencies. We have a year's supply of firewood stacked up that we never ever touch because it's not an emergency. I just ran out of wood in my working wood pile. This is sort of like the pantry in the kitchen. It's not where your food storage is. It's where you rotate your food storage through or take what you need for a daily basis. So the message of that video and this video is, make sure you always have backup food or backup wood in this example. There have been several times in our young married life where we had to depend on our food storage. And yes, as newlyweds, we had food storage. We're good. We've got 3 cords of wood here. We can fit another cord in here. And we have a great working wood pile, and we have more than plenty to go through this year. In addition to the year's supply of wood that we never touch. Just like the year's supply of food that you should be rotating through if that's short term, or the year's supply of long-term food that you have. So please take this message to heart as we prepare for what's coming, that we have items that we use every day, and then we have things that we just don't touch. Whether that's finances, food, whatever it may be, those are there for an emergency. I hope that you have those items set aside, whatever they may be for your family in an emergency. The second part of this message is, it was a bit of a test. I've done this a couple times, and it's been the same result each time. And that is when I put warning, urgent, important, all capitals in that, and then all capitals across the title of the video, I get significantly more views. I see a lot of other YouTube channels doing that. And I'm going to tell you that it's disappointing because I'm not a fearmonger. This channel is all about solutions. If you want to know what the problems are, go listen to all the other YouTube channels that have full 100% capital letters in their titles, and everything is the sky is falling down. You're not going to find that on LDS Prepper. You're going to find workable daily solutions to get prepared for what's coming. Do we know what's coming? Yes, we know what's coming. We know an economic collapse is coming. We know a civil war is coming. We know a world war is coming. We know that famine and plague and drought and millions and millions and millions of deaths are coming. Simply put, we know because we read Revelations, the Bible, what's coming. What we don't know is when it's coming. If you're watching all these urgent warning, the sky is falling videos and what's Russia doing, what's China doing, what's the government in the US doing, what's happening at the border, to get motivated to get prepared, I hope that you do that and get prepared. Whatever comes, if you're already prepared, it's just an event. Follow what the Spirit prompts you to do and get it done. I just a few minutes ago got a project done that the Spirit has been bugging me for months to complete. I can now be relieved from that pressure, that prompting from the Spirit. That project is complete. If you're looking for solutions, come to this channel. If you're looking for fear, angst, you'll find that in other channels. I hope that your communications, your food, your fire, your fuel, your shelter, your self-defense, your home protection, I hope those are all topped off. If they're not, prioritize them and get them taken care of, because when the time for action arrives, the time for preparedness is over. Let's get prepared. Let's stay positive. We know what's coming. We don't know when it's coming. One thing we do know is that the Lord Jesus Christ and his followers will win. Stay positive, stay active, stay proactive, and let's get this done together. This is LDS Prepper reminding you, if you are prepared, you shall not fear what's coming. Now, if you excuse me, I got a bunch of firewood to move into the house. Stay warm, stay prepared, and trust in the Lord. And let the Lord know that he can count on you to be prepared so that he can bless his children through you.